Welcome all of you. Today we are going to start with our fourth chapter, that is catering and food services. Let's see what is catering service. The service which caters the food to number of people and it provides pleasant change from home cooked food is called catering service. Next, factors which affects the food services. First, tradition and culture. Because of this, there is business work. People are interested in various cuisines, example French, Italian. So there is globalization of tradition and culture. Globalization also leads to urbanization. International travel is there, so people are using various types of cuisines. Then technological development. Technical development leads to the convenient food which enters in our life. Socio-economic changes, the demand for food outside the home, religious practices, tradition to give prasad and langar as food is prepared for the masses. Industrial development leads to mass production of food, online orders are booked. Next, types of catering services. There are two types of catering services. The very first is welfare. It is also called non-commercial food service. Major aim of this type of service is social welfare. Profit through this work is given a secondary importance. Example, feeding armed force, supplementary feeding programs implemented by government like midday meal. These are generally low budget programs. Other examples are food which is catered in old age homes, orphanages, prisons, dharamshalas, langars, etc. Commercial catering. Services are meant for public. Main aim is to make the profit. Example, hotels, holiday industries. This business brings foreign money to the country. Examples, guest houses, holiday camps, fast food junks, pizza parlors are there, food services in cinema halls, bars, transport catering in flights, etc. The characteristics of commercial catering. Commercial catering is luxurious. Large variety of cuisines are available. Skilled workers and equipments are required in such type of services. Prices are higher and pleasant and cheerful ambience is given to the customers. Next, types of food service system. There are basically four types. First, conventional food service system, where the food is prepared in the kitchen and it has to be served there. The food is served immediately after it is prepared. Flexible menu is there. Individual preferences are taken into consideration. Example in restaurant, cafeteria, hospitals, etc. Commissary food service. The food is prepared centrally at one place and distributed to various areas. Distributor has to ensure that distribution of food is done to various outlets. Example, coffee day, where toppings are given on the spot. Ready prepared food service. Food items are prepared in advance and they are kept frozen. The frozen paranthas, french fries, McCain's, this is the menu. Special equipments are required to prepare them and freeze them. Assembly food service. Prepared food is purchased, it is assembled and sold, seasoning, thawing, reheating is done there. Example, sale of golgappas and patties. Less time of preparation is required here. Next, knowledge the caterer should have. He should have a knowledge of food selection, menu planning, what type of menu should be served to the customers, wise utilization of space because at times the food is prepared at the same place and served also. Cost control method is there. Effective cost method should be there so that it is pocket friendly for customers also, and simultaneously the outlet is also going to have some profit from the services. Selection of food is there. Selection of food means according to the season, according to the customers, according to the environment of the place. Next, menu planning. What do we mean by menu planning? It is a communication between the caterer in which he informs to the customer about the type of food to be offered. There are various points to be considered while planning a menu, like occasion, climate, season, availability of ingredients, price, time of the day, etc. Now, study about this occasion. Occasion means type of beverage, no repetition of food should be there, variety in taste and color and texture. Climate, whether it is hot or cold, beverages are served accordingly. Season is there. Season affects the seasonal availability of the food. Availability of ingredients in that local area. Price, cost effective method should be there. Time of the day means breakfast, lunch or dinner is served. Food habits, whether maximum consumers over a particular area are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Next, management of catering. Management of catering involves planning. This is to think in advance, make an objective, policies and select the actions to achieve the goals. It involves in making the hierarchy at work center. Organizing involves identifying the task given. It is at several positions according to the skills. Delegation, distribution of workload to qualified staff according to the interest of staff. Motivation, whosoever is indulged in this industry should make the positive environment, which is motivating environment for the people to work in. Direction, direction is to control the working conditions and the working areas because work is given according to the skills of the workers. Reporting, informing the authorities like managers, executives about various tasks through reports and records. Budgeting, all the activities have to be done according to the finances which are available. Coordinating, to control all the activities which are taking place in one organization for controlling the failure factors over there. Skills required in the food industry. For a person to be there in the food industry, he should have interest in national and international cuisines. He will be hard worker. Focus on the quality and production and cost controlling methods. Good command on the languages. Maintenance of food standards. Pleasant personality. Friendly relations with the customers and staff. Good communication skills because of the globalization. Scope of food industry. Working abroad, opening catering organizations, work as food service supervisor, cafeteria manager, production manager, purchase manager, food service or director, person interested in cooking, in hospitals, industrial canteens, air flights, cruise, etc. With this, we have finished our chapter 4th. We'll meet with the chapter 5. Till then, goodbye.